You know we had to do it again, right?
We had to do it again, boy.
You know we had to do it again, right?
We had to do it again, boy.
Well, baby, I like the way that you
keep doing it to me.
Are you ready, baby? 'Cause I'm ready, baby.
Burning the bomb.
It ain't even a question. You already know.
But do you mind if I take this seat right here?
Don't worry, the night just got started.
And you got it going on.
Baby, I'ma get a business to you. Don't want nobody else. I wanna talk dirty to you. And even
I'ma call you mine.
ain't even a question. You already know.
From New York, a very talented young cat. Give it up for Corey Fernandez. You know how you could tell when your job sucks? When you see a Mexican quit that shit. I was at work like, what the fuck? They do that?